Hello students, very good morning to all of you. How are you all? I think you are very fine at your home, even also safe with your parents. So dear students, today's lectures is of EVS, that is Environmental Studies. Okay, so today's our topic is chapter number 3, My Family. Okay, here we have chapter number 3 in the page number, in the page number 8. Okay, in the page number 8 we have chapter number 3, that is called My Family. In this chapter we have learned about our family. Family means what? The people who live together. ओके, इन अ हाउस, एक घर में जो लोग साथ में आपस में रहते हैं एंड दे हैव देयर ओन रिलेशनशिप विद देम, है ना, अपने आपस में उनके ईच अदर दे हैव कनेक्टेड. ओके, सो आपस में वो लोग अपने आप में कनेक्टेड होते हैं किसी न किसी रिलेशन के थ्रू, तो वो सारे मेंबर्स को बोला जाता है एक फैमिली. लाइक वी हैव लर्न 4 टाइप्स ऑफ फैमिली हियर: small nuclear family, big nuclear family, small joint family, big joint family. In the small nuclear family there are only 2 children and their parents. Okay, but if there are more than 2 children, अगर 2 बच्चों से ज्यादा बच्चे हैं किसी के घर में, तो वो वाली फैमिली कहलाती है big nuclear family. Similarly, small joint family and big joint family. In the small joint family there are parents, grandparents and the children. Okay, and in the big joint family there are grandparents, parents, uncle, aunts, cousins and children. All of them live together, then it is called a big joint family. Okay, you can see the pictures here. After that we have done this activity also. Now turn the page. We have learnt about relationship in the family. So there are all the members have connected with each other. जितने भी members हमारे family में रहते हैं वो आपस में क्या होते हैं, connected होते हैं, because they have their own relation. Okay, so जो फैमिली होती है या तो बाय बर्थ से बिल्डअप होती है, या फिर जब एक गर्ल जो होती है वो मैरिज करके अपनी न्यू फैमिली में आती है तो वो वहाँ पे एक अपना नया परिवार बनाती है, दैट कॉल्ड फैमिली. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आपके फादर और मदर आपस में हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ का रिलेशन रखते हैं. आप उनके कौन होते हो? बच्चे, है ना, दैट इज सन एंड डॉटर. सन मीन्स बेटा एंड डॉटर मीन्स बेटी. एंड सन एंड डॉटर्स जो ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर्स होते हैं आपस में क्या कहलाते हैं? सिबलिंग्स, दैट इज भाई बहन. उसके बाद हमारे चाचा चाची मामा मामी जो हैं वो सारे, उनको हम अंकल एंड आंट बोलते हैं, और उनके बच्चों को हम हमारे कजिन्स बोलते हैं. एंड इवन हियर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, द मदर्स पेरेंट्स एंड द फादर्स पेरेंट्स आर कॉल्ड ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स. जो हमारे मम्मी पापा के मम्मी पापा होते हैं या मम्मी पापा के मम्मी पापा होते हैं उन्हें हम ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स का नेम देते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड ग्रैंडफादर एंड ग्रैंडमदर. So I hope you all have understood about this relationships. After that we have learned about helping each other. So what is this helping each other? You know, when we live together in a family, so हमें हमेशा अपने परिवार वालों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए. As like our parents always look after us, है ना, हमारे पेरेंट्स हमारा देखभाल रखते हैं, उसी तरीके से हमें भी हमारे पेरेंट्स की हेल्प करनी चाहिए, बिकॉज दैट हाउस इज ऑल फॉर अस, है ना. ये जो हाउस होता है वो सभी के लिए होता है, तो हाउस सभी के लिए होता है, तो सभी फैमिली मेंबर्स को अपने हाउस को क्लीन रखना चाहिए, अपनी थिंग्स को प्रॉपर प्लेसेस पे रखना चाहिए. और काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें होती हैं, जैसे मदर एंड फादर हमारा देखभाल करते हैं, वैसे हमें भी अपने मदर एंड फादर का ध्यान रखना चाहिए. इन दिस वे वी कैन हेल्प ईच अदर. Now we have completed this chapter over here. Now today what we are going to do, we are solving the exercises. So we will solve the exercise. So dear students, take out your book, page number 11. Okay, all of you take out page number 11 and take out your pencil also, sharp it well. Okay, exercise A. That is what is written here, and circle the correct option. You know there are there are questions and 3 options given. Okay, the first question is fathers parents are called. फादर्स के पेरेंट्स को क्या कहा जाता है? जो हमारे पापा के पेरेंट्स होते हैं उन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? दे आर अवर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स. यस, सो हियर इन द बी ऑप्शन देयर इज ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स रिटर्न. So circle it. Okay, what we have to do, we don't have to underline it. We have to circle the grandparents spelling. Understood? You have to circle the grandparents spelling here in the B option. Let's see the second question. Uncle and aunt's children are called. Uncle और aunt के जो children होते हैं, बच्चे होते हैं, uncle और aunt के, they are called. What we call them? We call them our cousins. Okay, so uncles and aunt's children are called. Here we have option number C, that is cousins. So circle it. Circle the spelling of cousins. C-O-U-S-I-N-S. Cousins. Okay. So circle it. After that, number 3 question is also there. You and your parents are. आप और आपके पेरेंट आपस में कौन होते हैं? You are your parents. अच्छा, आप आपके बच्चों, आप अपने पेरेंट्स के कौन होते हो? आप कौन हो अपने पेरेंट के? Yes, you are their child. आप कौन हो अपने पेरेंट्स के? उनके बच्चे, है ना? चाइल्ड हो, आंट हो कि सिबलिंग्स? चाइल्ड. So here we have option number A, C-H-I-L-D, child. So circle it. The spelling of child. Complete exercise A in your book. What is the first answer? That is father's parents are called grandparents. The second answer, uncle and aunt's children are called cousins. And the last one, you are your parents' child. So here we have completed our question A. After that, there is question B, match the pairs. Okay? We have question B, match the pairs. Let's do it fast, dear students. Then after that, we will do match the pairs. Okay, I hope you all have done it. Okay, so let's see now question number B. Okay, so what is question B is there? So question B is match the following. Question B is match the following. So here we have 4 pictures given. Okay, we have 4 pictures given. One is here, second one is here, third one is here, and fourth one is here. So there are 4 pictures given, and here we have 4 options, that is A, B, C, D. So what is in the A option? there is small nuclear family. Small nuclear family. We have learned 4 types of families. 4 types of families are written here in the options. So the second one is big nuclear family. Big nuclear family. And the third one is small joint family. And the last one, big joint family. Okay. So here we have to choose the correct picture for the correct option. Okay, correct option के लिए correct picture choice करके हमें उससे match करना है. As I have told you, if there are parents or only 2 children, then it is called a small nuclear family. So circle the match the first picture with the A option. Match the first picture with the A option. Small nuclear family. There are only 2 children and their parents. After that, big nuclear family, where it is? Yes, it is here. If there are 2 parents and 3 children, then it is called big nuclear family. So match it with the correct picture. Big nuclear family, match here. After that, small joint families. In the small joint family, there are grandparents, parents and children. So here C option के साथ हमें यहाँ वाला पिक्चर्स मैच करना है. Picture number 2, picture number 1, here picture number 3 and picture number 4. And for the big joint family, we have picture number 3. So there are grandparents, parents, uncle and aunt, children and cousins. So many members are there in the big joint family. So here we have completed our match the following question. So completed, dear students, in your book. Done? Do it again. Option number A with the first picture. Option number A match with the first picture. Option number B match with the fourth picture. Option number C match with the third picture. And option number D match with the option number C match with the second picture. And option number D match with the third picture. So here we have completed our match the pair exercise. After that, when you will turn your page, there is question number C also. Okay, so let's do question number C now. I hope you all have done this. Okay, I'm erasing. So match the pairs and encircle the correct option we have done. That is question number A and question number B. Now we are going to do question number C. So what is there? Who does the following things in your family? यानी यहाँ पे आपको कुछ एक्शंस दिए हुए हैं. वो एक्शन आपके घर में कौन परफॉर्म करता है वो आपको यहाँ लिखना है. ओके, the first action is cooks the food. Who cooks the food in our family? Yes, our mother. So write down here MOTHER, mother. M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Next one, goes to market and buy things. Goes to market and buy things. To buy things. Students, काफी सारे घर में क्या होता है, फादर जो है वो बाहर मार्केट जाके सारे चीजें लेके आते हैं, किसी के घर में मदर जाके लेके आते हैं, तो जो आपके घर में जाता है आप उनका नाम लिखेंगे. Here I am writing father, F-A-T-H-E-R, father. Number 3, looks after the plants. Looks after the plants. So, जो आपके घर में प्लांट्स हैं उनका देखभाल कौन करता है? So here we have, if there is a gardener in your house, so you can write gardener. If you are doing it, so write here children, or if your grandparents doing it, so write here grandfather. So I am writing here grandfather. After that, number 4, keeps the house clean and tidy. Keeps the house clean and tidy. यानी साफ सुथरा घर कौन रखता है? I hope we all do this, है ना, हम सभी लोग करते हैं ऐसा. So right here all members. All members. And the last one, number 5, packs your school bag. आपका स्कूल बैग कौन बना के देता है आपको? If your mother has doing this, so write down the name of your person. Write down the mother. Otherwise, write yours. Me. M-E, me. अगर आप खुद से अपना स्कूल बैग बनाते हो तो राइट डाउन देयर M-E, me. So we have completed question number C. What is in the question number C? Who does the following things in your family? So आपकी फैमिली में सारी चीजें कौन करता है वो आपको बताना है, ठीक है? So आप cooks the food. The first one is cooks the food. कौन कुक करता है हमारे घर में food? Yes, our mother. Then goes to market to buy things. मार्केट जाके चीजें कौन खरीदता है? Our father. Then look after the plants. That is grandfather or grandmother. Keeps the house clean and tidy. So all members, because हम सभी लोग अपने हाउस को क्लीन एंड टाइडी रखते हैं. And the last one, packs your school bag. That is, आप अगर खुद से स्कूल बैग पैक करते हो तो write down me there. If your mother has done this, so write down the spelling of mother in the last. Okay? So I hope you all have done your work in your book in a good handwriting. So dear students, tomorrow we will meet again and do our activity. Okay? Bye dear students. Take care. Have a nice day and complete your work.